Hello everyone, I'm all Thai in the United States. I purchased clear boxes with bamboo lid. I purchased them first pair because I'm not sure about sizing. Then after that I purchased another pair. What I have as this large size without the lid. I would like the lid because I will store crackers for my husband. I don't like to keep them in a box anymore, the original box. Then I had an idea, put them in clear boxes with the lid. My husband can see, and it is easier for storage because they can stack on top of each other. I plan to change the shell with the cover lid. I ordered already bamboo shell, but the parts of two shells are broken. I did return already. The seller let me keep the shell, then I may assemble them sometimes. And I don't know yet if the shell can work good because just small shells, the pieces that broken, I think they are only divider. So if I don't use them, they may big shell to store like container like that, and then we can stack on top of each other. This one is a small shell with slide door. I took about 4 or 5 hours. No, not that. Less than that. The first time I took about an hour, and then I gave up because my brain was blank. I didn't understand the light section at all, and the font is too small. As you see, I use glasses. What is called binocular, right? I forgot the name. When you look through the glass, I can see better, bigger. And then next morning, I put them finished after I watch on YouTube. Doesn't have any how to at all. I just watch the finished one and see which panel go on which side, because the panel they have with the track and without the track, that was very hard to understand on the direction as I mentioned. And then I finished it. This is the shelf I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Two dividers are broken. Anyway, when I assemble it, I will show you later again, but not today. Someday, not soon. After finish everything that I can put the pieces together here in the kitchen, I set it on top of the shelf I have now, and I move coffee jar bottle that my husband only make his coffee in this corner, everything in that cupboard, right? It is cute and nice. It's gonna be nicer if I finish assemble the big shelf underneath. Please come back and check. When I finish put pieces together, you will see it. Thank you for stopping by, listening to my story. Have a great day. Bye.